Today we are going to create this unique fridge magnet. Materials needed. Let's start. Cut the clay into small pieces. We will blend the orange and yellow orange to get the desired color. We need to condition the clay using pasta machine to get the air bubble out. You can use the rolling pin if you don't have pasta machine. I really invested to buy pasta machine, guys, especially if you have bulk orders. Pasta machine is the fastest way to condition the clay. This is the result of blending dark orange and light yellow clay. Now let's cut the shape of the truck. I just showed you guys the 4 pieces cut, but on this project I made 50 pieces. Yes, 50 pieces. Making fridge magnets needs patience, passion, and dedication, guys. You will enjoy the process, just have fun. Now let's make the window. This time I conditioned the clay using rolling pin. We have to carefully cut the windows of the truck. If your clay is too hard to condition, you can use oil to soften it. If you put too much oil, you can put flour to manage the oily clay. Now let's put the wheels of the truck. I pre-molded cut the clay using the same pattern. I use white clay as the background and to hold also the other parts together. Now, let's do the letter cutting. I just bought this letter cutter at Daiso Japan, guys. Before it's round, now it broke into pieces. Let's make the base for the letters. To think of good color combinations. To create a catchy and nice piece, guys. Of course, on this project, I closely coordinated the color combinations to my client, and she approved all of these color combinations. I put some dark brown clays around it to look like rocks. It's baking time. Preheat your oven to 130 Celsius, and I baked it up to 40 minutes. I covered it with a thick paper and another aluminum foil on top.
Make sure to check it
Cook it every
evenly.
10 minutes, guys, to avoid
Make sure to
overcook.
check it
Every 10 minutes, guys, to avoid overcook. After 40 mins, you can carefully take out the cooked clays. I immediately put it to natural water. This is to make the clay unbreakable. Then dry it using a towel after 30 seconds. After drying the clay, we can now put gloss into it. You can now see the beauty of it, guys. From a piece of clay, not it's a very nice creation. Please consider to subscribe, guys, for more video tutorials. Now let's put the magnet at the back of each piece. Then, let's put gloss on the back part of it. If you would consider this kind of hobby or business, just enjoy the process, guys. For me at first, it's tiring and tedious. But in the long run, when I see the product, it's all worth it. Especially when I give satisfaction to my clients, it's music to my ears. If you have questions and comments, please write it down to comment section, and I would be glad to answer your queries. Here it is, guys. 50 pieces fridge magnets, made from polymer clay. Please like and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell to get notified for new videos. Here it is, ready for delivery.